This video is how to make peanut butter Revel bars. Again, this video was recorded a long time ago and I just got around to making it. I remember these were pretty good, maybe like an 8 out of 10. However, since there's so much butter, I could only eat 1 or 2 at a time or it felt terrible. This dessert tastes pretty typical as any other peanut butter baked good tastes like. If you've had some sort of peanut butter chocolate brownie at a relative's, this recipe is probably pretty similar to it or is the same exact thing. I did the same ingredients as the link that I will put in the description, except for adding an extra egg, and I did the same instruction. Today we are making peanut butter Revel bars. I don't know what a Revel is, but the ingredients that we are using are 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 cups light brown sugar, half cup creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 cups quick cook, not Coke, oatmeal, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 package of peanut butter chips. So with the peanut butter chips, there's not just peanut butter chips, and if there is, they weren't there. So it was either butterscotch or peanut butter and milk chocolate, and since I like chocolate, I just did the milk chocolate and peanut butter chips one. Some weird people don't like chocolate at all. So if that is you, then you should probably get the butterscotch one.
On my mind, so say